Hey guys, welcome back for another GTA race. And yeah, I'm doing terrible right now. I'm usually good at flying planes. Yes, I am. If I had weapons, I'd be better. I haven't been flying. I never flied this plane that much.
This is the co-host here, Nathan Johannes.
He's my co-pilot.
You might wanna... Okay, here's some advice for you by my friend SpongeBob. You do a loop-de-loop and pull up! Pull up!
I'm gliding. I'm not even pushing pressure. That's what she said. I'm pushing pressure. Ugh. This guy rammed into me. Get out of my way. No, there's something on there saying popcorn.
You put popcorn on there in 2 minutes, right?
There's something saying popcorn.
It sets it for 2 minutes.
Maybe, I don't know. I don't keep track.
This is the co-pilot Nathan here. I am in this purple jet with Tyler Lewis here today to show you and experience the extreme stunts that can be done by our vehicle that we have made here today. Jim, what do you have to say about this?
Pizza.
What do you have to say about this, Jim? Jim has to say pizza. Well, Jim, you can eat pizza and drink in this vehicle because guess what? It has an autopilot. Boom, I said it. Yes, autopilot.
It's on autopilot.
This jet we have built has autopilot. This is the best jet you can buy
it's on autopilot.
anywhere.
It's on
Here,
autopilot.
come. There's a built-in microwave in here. Look, I'm gonna go get some popcorn.
Me too.
Except if you like the jet, so don't.
No, I put it on autopilot. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I'm keeping control. I'm taking control of the plane. Wait, never mind. I'm not. Okay, I'm going back to get some popcorn. Okay, I'm back. Looks like my cousin.
Hello, this is Joe back with his popcorn that he just made in the jet. You see that? That's popcorn. It's popcorn.
Don't be jealous.
Popcorn. I just made popcorn.
Don't make them jealous. So I'm gonna eat some popcorn. So I'm gonna put it on autopilot. Love it.
Yeah, I'll give you some of mine, Joe. Yeah, my name is Joe.
Yeah. No, I thought I thought Joe was Andrew.
No, here's Jim.
Oh yeah, Joe.
Hi.
Don't do that!
I heard explosions.
It was me party.
Oh. Jim finishes the
going
race
up.
with his autopilot in 3rd place.
On a Tuesday. Got your girl. Something Tuesday. No. So Jim, what did you have to say to this race?
I have pizza.
Is he only going to say pizza?
Maybe.
Are you only going to say pizza? You just said pizza again. Stop saying pizza. Okay, that's better. He said pizza.
Orange juice?
No, he said pizza with pepperoni.
Better.
Okay. Come over here. You want some popcorn, Jim? Just go to Jim.
One.
Jim, you're making a mess in the gym.